Here's the deal with this car, all right? This is an R33 GTR V-Spec built by Omori Factory. Omori Factory is the company that builds the Nismos for Nissan. So this has some tags on it. Come on in here. Come take a look. So we've got an engine tag that it was built. The engine was built at Omori Factory. It is the S1 package. Okay, so they have different packages. This is the S1 build. All right, and then also it has a chassis plate by Omori Factory, and you can see it also says, you know, Nismo there, because they are Nismo basically. So this is a pretty special car, and we brought this in for a customer. We didn't do a whole lot to it. We just changed the spark plugs. We did a compression test. Compression is good. We changed the plugs. We did an oil change. We put an O2 sensor on it, and it's running a little lean. So we didn't do anything else. The customer wants to do all the work himself. So basically it's fresh off the boat. We washed it, and this is the way you see it. But as you can see, it is a beautiful car, okay? This thing, okay. This car is amazing. It really is. So it has, you know, a titanium exhaust. It's got N1 turbos. It's tuned with a Power FC. It's got some other goodies on here. It's got some Volk GTC 19-inch wheels. All right. Which look amazing. I love these wheels. I think they're incredible. They're insane. It's got these side skirt extensions here. And as you can see, it's got the decals saying it's an S-Tune concept engine, Spec 1, Omori Factory. It's got a carbon fiber rear wing. It also has like an extra rear valance on here. But just the midnight purple, Omori Factory S1 car, ultra rare. You know, I doubt you'll ever see another one in your lifetime. I know we're pretty happy to have this here and to be brought this in for this customer. So, you know, if you're looking for something special, contact us. We can get it for you, bring it in, and, you know, you can have a car the quality of this one. So that's it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and watch out for more awesome videos from Driver Motorsports.